Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for coming and seeing me. In this episode we are back on the boat build and we are taking the consoles off and the top deck with it. So yeah, final part of stripping out. Looking forward to it. Let's get to it. Not only have we got electronics here, we have the fuel filler here. Save the batteries, they are very good. So before I carry on, I'm going to take these off, the strapping points. As you can see, they are bolted with 21mm nuts, but they go all the way through the hull. Quite a big bolt. Let's do it. That's going to need a bit of gentle persuasion. I did say gentle. Now I suppose the question is, do I put these back on when I rebuild the boat? Comment below. Right, so it's a couple of days later and we're back on the project. We got rained off the other day, not good. It came down pretty heavy, so I had to rush to get everything in. Let's get on with it. So basically you've got to get the front console off, and it's going to be a hell of a lot of screws, take all the bits off to send off with the engine that's been sold and all that. So I think it's time for a time lapse. See how quick we do this. All the bolts are out of the console. I'm going to try and tip it over so I get more access for the bits inside. Getting the trusty bar out. However, Dan left this in his in the engine bay, so thanks very much, Dan. I will give it back when I'm done with it. as you can see, I managed to get this loose. If you remember, there was a cubby hole here with quite an upstand, and that was on top of this step here. So I had to take that off, and then all the wiring goes through these tubes which are connected to that. And then if you see the upstand there, that's the fuel tank. To the fuel tank, and obviously it was all connected inside that box there. Well, it's got a little bit dark. I'm trying to pack away all my stuff, but one little tip: always keep a head torch on you, especially one of these. These are cool. If I can find the link, I'll link it below. Little LED strip and a side torch as well. So if you look towards the boat, that's the LED strip, 2 settings, and that is the spotlight on the side, 2 settings. USB rechargeable. Oh, yeah. Hello and welcome back. I say welcome back, this is day 3 of stripping the boat. Let's get cracking. First job is to find any bits of debris or screws. Take them away first. Now we can start taking the rest of the deck off. Use this, get under here, well, this is a very hard task. If you've stayed to the video this long, thank you very much. Are you willing to stay a little bit more? Because we're starting to make a dent in it. Well, thank you very much for sticking around for this video. I'm going to end this one here. I think this is a 2 video job, but still it's getting done, and I would just like to say thank you very much for watching. If you want more of this in the future, please subscribe, hit that bell to get notified, and comment below, mainly on shall I put the anchors back in, or what colour shall I do the deck, anything like that. Comment below. I want to hear what you think. Yeah, and we will see you in the next one. Now the next video is not going to be about the boat build, but it is about a celebration of what's happened on this channel and telling you about things that are happening in the future. So can't wait to show you that one, but for now, thank you very much. Bye.
It wasn't letting her. I got my fingers burned. I won't